Choosing the right prosthetic hand isn't just a decision, it's a turning point because the hand you choose decides how confidently you live every single day. Why it matters? A prosthetic hand is involved in almost everything: holding, lifting, typing, cooking, getting ready, and even simple gestures. When the right hand matches your needs, these things feel easy. But if you choose the wrong one, even basic tasks can feel like a struggle. Comfort and usability. Comfort is a big reason why choosing the right one matters. If your prosthetic hand feels too heavy, too stiff, or doesn't fit your routine, you won't want to use it. The right hand feels natural, balanced, and comfortable enough to wear all day. That's why we have different types. Passive hands. Simple, steady, and perfect for basic support. Body powered hands. Strong and reliable, controlled with your own body movement. Myoelectric hands. They respond to your muscle signals for smoother, intuitive motion. Bionic hands. The most advanced, offering multiple grip patterns and near natural control. Each type is designed for a different lifestyle, and choosing the right one makes all the difference. The right prosthetic hand also protects your long-term health. It reduces the extra load on your other hand and prevents overuse related shoulder and back pain. So yes, choosing the right prosthetic hand matters, not just for today, but for every day that follows.